Planning a renovation? Whether you're a seasoned pro or diving into your first project, avoiding common pitfalls can make all the difference. Let's explore the most common renovation mistakes and how to steer clear of them. Number 1. Lack of planning. Without a solid plan, your project could go off the rails quickly. Dive deep into research, refine your ideas, and communicate clearly with your remodeler. Next up, setting an unrealistic budget. Underestimating costs can lead to headaches down the road. Get multiple estimates, weigh your options, and be sure you're comparing apples to apples. Neglecting permits is a big mistake. It could cost you time, money, and even your safety. Do your homework and call your local building department if you have questions. Hiring the wrong contractor can turn your dream renovation into a nightmare. Protect yourself by doing your due diligence. Understand what services you need, read reviews, and don't ignore the red flags. Neglecting maintenance and repairs? It's like sweeping dirt under the rug, it'll only get worse. Rushing the project? Slow down. Patience is key to making informed choices. Take your time, seek expert advice, and remember, good things come to those who wait. And don't forget about the future. Your renovation should adapt to your changing lifestyle. Plan your renovation around your growing family, aging gracefully, and everything in between. Cutting corners can lead to costly mistakes and safety issues. While some projects like painting can be an easy DIY, leave the tricky stuff to the pros. Remember these tips, and your renovation journey will be smoother than ever. Happy renovating!